Day 246 Meditation on Desire. I do not mean to say that we should not do business or develop. Economic success is a good thing. In particular, it enables us to offer work to those who need it. Business is good for oneself, for others, and for society at large. If everyone lived a monastic life and begged, the economy would collapse and we would all die of starvation. I am convinced that what Buddha would do in such a situation would be to say to his monks, "So now all go out to work." He laughs. The Dalai Lama laughs. He has a sense of humor. Happy meditating.